All right, welcome back to the Equity Trade Room. It's November 28th. November 28th. Looking to take our one trade of the day. My open range Q30. Day number 2. Day number 2. That's right. Day number 2 of my 30-day challenge. I'll be back at 9:30 a.m. and we will look to see if we can get our one trade of the day. Pull up the disclaimer. And I'll be back. All right, 15 seconds before the market opens. Here we go. All right, initially, I'll be looking for a short. But that could change.
Order submitted.
Okay. When I see this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Order canceled.
it's no longer a high probability setup for me. I had numerous chances. And we don't want to force anything. Now we could get a setup on the buy side, but as far as on the short side, this area here needs to be broken. And the beautiful thing about when you thoroughly back test the strategy, when you count the perceived winners, you don't count any trades that were not clear winners. So something like this, if I was back testing, I would pass because I had multiple breaks or false breaks, multiple false breakouts. So there's no reason taking the trade now live if I didn't count this type of trade, win or lose, in my back testing. So I'm not going to look for a short here, but I can look for a long if price action gives me an opportunity or presents itself. So I'll be back. Okay, quick update. This would have been a potential short. I would be in a potential short right now as it broke low here. So I would have entered right here at 45.52.50. Target down here. Stop up here. So let's see what would have happened. I passed on it because of all of this noise, but it still might win. It just would have been a risky trade for me. And I don't want my challenge to consist of risky trades. I want the challenge to consist of just high quality trades. So let's see what would have happened. I'll be back. All right, looks like, yeah, we are right there. Target hit. Well, target would have been hit if I took the trade. But once again, this is not my setup. All rules would not have been followed. So it's a good thing to see the strategy work. However, too noisy. We have news at 10 o'clock that can potentially move the market. So I will still be looking for a long if we get that opportunity. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll see what happens. News at 10 o'clock a.m. All right, we made our way up.
Order submitted.
Potential long. rejected the level. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll be back. Hanging around my area. Three stabs at it, rejected. Similar to what it did down here. Then eventually it went down and hit the target.
Order canceled.
All right. We'll be back. All right, so quick update. The downside, it was choppy first 5 minutes. So my short was voided, even though it did end up going down and would have filled me. But following my rules, I had to pass on it. Reversal to the north side. Couple of punches, but all false breakouts. And now it's just choppy in the middle. I look for this setup from 9:30 East Coast time, AM, to basically 10:55 AM. Don't take any trades after 11 o'clock. And we're at 10:35 and it's just in that chop zone. The only thing I'm looking for is a breakout on the north side, and nothing's happening right now. So we'll be back. We got a bad entry.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know what happened there. Slippage, bad slippage. All right, we had horrible slippage. I have to look at the replay. Got in late. Let me pull this up. It's a winning trade. We were up a lot. Let's see. It's a lot of slippage. Let's see what happened. We got in here at 45.58.25. Only one tick late because I waited for a pullback. We should have got in here at 58, 45.58. We got in at 45.58.25. Then we got out in profit here, but there was an issue with the order. Order did not close and got pulled back in, which happens with the copier. And I had to flatten all and stuff, as you saw. So we lost profit on some of it, but our patience paid off. We waited for a clear entry, following our rules. We didn't take the short. and now the thing is shooting up. So we'll take it. We'll take it. And yeah, that slippage messed us up because we made it all the way up here. $162 is where we got out initially. And then it pulled back and jerked us because we had a $200 risk. So our target was 162. And we got jerked because we got in here and got out here. I had to flatten off. If I didn't flatten off, it would have went back up in our favor, but nobody knows that. Nobody knows that in hindsight. When you see you're in the negative, even though you're supposed to be in the green, you got to get out. So slippage comes with the territory. We'll take the positive day, one trade a day. We're out. Peace.